The original apocalypse survival story starts with one man, a warning from God, and a boat big enough to hold the world's future. In those days, the Lord saw how great the wickedness of the human race had become on the earth. Violence and corruption filled every corner of the world. But Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord.
So make yourself an ark of cypress wood.
Noah obeyed, building the massive vessel as the world looked on in disbelief. Day after day, Noah worked tirelessly, driven by his faith in God's plan. As the ark neared completion, animals began to arrive from every corner of the earth. 2 by 2, they entered the ark, a parade of God's creatures, large and small. As the last animal stepped aboard, the sky darkened with ominous clouds. Then the Lord shut him in. For 40 days and 40 nights, rain poured from the heavens and fountains burst from the earth. The waters rose higher and higher, covering even the tallest mountains. But God remembered Noah and all the wild animals and the livestock that were with him in the ark. As the waters receded, hope emerged. Noah sent out a dove, which returned with an olive leaf. Finally, on dry land once more, Noah and his family stepped out onto a cleansed earth. In gratitude, Noah built an altar and made an offering to the Lord. God was pleased and made a promise to all living creatures.
I've set my rainbow in the clouds, and it will be the sign of the covenant between me and the earth.
As the colorful ark stretched across the sky, Noah and his family marveled at God's grace. God keeps his promises, even in the storm.